What's going on, everybody? This is Racing Wolf 2017, back on the Xbox One. I have the TMX Pro 4-speed back set up with the T3 PA pedals. I am in a 2012 Eagle Speedster, about to rip this road up. I've got a championship that I've entered on the Road Race Series. Bought this car just for this race. It's the only car you can do this race in. They don't want you to do it in anything else. So I had to spend $500,000 on it. On the game, that is. The in-game currency. Luckily, I've been saving money on here, not upgrading my cars too much. I've been running them pretty much stock. Oh shit. Woo, close. Getting closer. Another little wall tapping, it'll be alright though. I've tried this a couple of different times. I'm trying to get used to the rear-wheel drive setup. I've been running mainly all-wheel drive or front-wheel drives. Been trying to stay away from the rear-wheel drives because they lose traction so much easier. Especially when you're trying to corner at higher speeds, so I'm having to slow down a little more. Which isn't necessarily the way I race, because I generally throw it in a corner and throw it sideways, which I can't really do on the wheel setup, so I've had to adjust. When I started out on this profile, which I have two, this is Alpha Wolf 23, I started out on this profile with the wheel. I started the first couple of races with the controller, only for the simple fact of my wheel didn't come in yet. But the same day my wheel came in, I hooked it up, started dialing in the settings, and now, as you see, we are getting it. Ooh. Dadgummit. I have to restart that. Dadgum. I don't know what is up with me today. Hope y'all are having a Merry Christmas, by the way. This is a Christmas day. I went and spent some time with my family earlier. Now I'm back at my own casa, or home, however you want to say it. I say casa. I live in South Texas. I live around a bunch of Mexicans. They're Hispanics. My bad. No hating. I love all the people I work with. Love all the people around me for the most part. Kind of work our way up through the pack here. Sometimes I'm able to jump up and get ahead pretty easily. Sometimes I'm not. It just depends on what car I'm driving. Like this one, it's a little rough. I didn't have a chance to play around with it on the street before I started racing with it. I just bought it and went with it. Like I said, it's the one they recommended for this race. Or not recommended, it's the only one that you're allowed to race this with. Because it's for the championship itself. There we go. I worked up a couple of spots in the first lap, and not even a lap and a half. The back end of the car's trying to slide a little on me, but I'm just kind of feathering the gas a little bit. Just holding the steering wheel. Not too tight, kind of loosely, but I'm holding it, relatively straight. I'm loving the setup though. It was well worth the money and worth the wait. At least so far. Ooh, 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 ooh. Nope, 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 nope. I'm gonna have to restart this yet again. Dadgum. I may have to finish this event out and then go and customize it, throw some better tires on. You know, something to that effect. I'm not sure yet. We'll try this one more time, and if not, I'll just finish out the race. Go and put it all-wheel drive like I need it. Because it doesn't say a class restriction. All it says is I gotta run this card. So, hey. Easy there, Dino Striker. Oh, I gotta work on getting a little better setup, as in, you know, recording wise. Right now, just doing what I can with what I got. That's all we really can do. A little spoiler alert about upcoming content. There might be me in an actual racing seat, controlling one monster. Don't know yet, just kind of depends. Just depends on how things go within the next year or so. As long as I don't place dead last, I think I'll be happy with this race. Alright, we're about to come into lap number 3. Oh, that's where I usually mess up. Luckily I kept it. Let's see if we can gain a few positions between now and the finish. We might be able to. Oh, there goes one. Like I said, if I can get up here. Oh, that was a nice pass. Don't let it get to my head though. Still gotta make it to the end. Oh, don't you dare, don't you dare. Oh, you suck. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the 12th place position on this because this rear-wheel drive is really messing with me. I'm going to see if I can do an all-wheel drive conversion because that was just wrong. As long as I can get first and the next two, should be fine. Oh, wow. I got a heck of an influence bonus, though. Almost got a new car. Alright, let's see where the next one is compared to where I'm at.
This is it. World's fastest. Something I've always wanted to do. Sure, it's a business, but I like to think it's a way for anyone to experience the Horizon life. And it's an excuse for you to drive some incredible hypercars.
I will start that shortly. Where am I at right now? I am right there. Let's fast travel over to the festival site. Oh wait, go back. I believe I have a wheel spin. Let's do this wheel spin real quick and see what we get. I'll take a 91 CRX SIR. I'll take that. I'm okay with that. Go home. No. Need to go here. Go to festival. Do a little bit of customization to where I can get, you know, some all-wheel drive and some different tires to where it'll handle on the road a little bit better. I will be right back though. I gotta turn my air conditioner on. It is hot. I gotta be able to see first. Turn it down to 73. See if I can do a little something here. Oh, I can. Yes! Alright. Let's do that. And then let's get a tie. Oh, hang on here. I can widen out my stance. That's good. I need that. Oh, I'm barely pushing them wheel wells. I'm not going to change the look of the car necessarily. I just want some better traction on the road. Those will handle greatly. And that's all I'm doing. I'm not going to improve the power or anything like that. I'm going to go with what I have. We got 330 horsepower. I upped the weight about 66 pounds. I upped my lateral G's a little bit, and I went up in the class itself a little bit, but I'm still in an A class, so we should be fine there. But let's get back to it and see what happens. Like I said, I wanted to keep it relatively close to what it was, so maybe that'll be the deciding factor here. Alright. Pause. Let's go. Is there only 2 pieces in this? Or is this it? Wait a minute. Oh. Oh, the next piece is like right here. So let's go here. Or, yeah.
Turn left.
And see how much better this will go. I got a feeling the all-wheel drive is really going to help. Especially in cornering ability, because that was great. Oh yeah, I can already tell the difference. Oh, we're hitting this danger sign.
In 400 yards.
135 mile an hour.
Turn left.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Recalculating route. In 100 yards. Turn left.
I think we're going to have a better chance here.
In 400 yards. Turn left. Turn left. You have arrived arrived at your destination.
Continue championship. Continue event. Alright, cool. So I can still use the same car. That works for me. It feels like it's doing a little bit better. Like I said, just changing it to all-wheel drive instead of rear wheel, changing out the tires. And I went ahead and like I said, I changed the width of my tires, like as in my axles. They're a little wider, so I got a better traction right on the road. We have 1 point right now in this championship. Let's see what happens. Woo! What are you doing, my man? Get off of me. I messed up a little bit in that corner. I downshifted and didn't mean to. It'll be alright though. I can get it back. With an all-wheel drive, the turning is so much more responsive. So are the brakes. Aha. You ran into me, not the other way around. I brake tapped you. Maybe I shouldn't slow down so much for that corner per se, but it's okay. Now that one I'm going to go ahead and redo real quick. 6th place wasn't bad, but I still need a podium finish. 8 points is not enough. This is fine though. That was a good test on a run with actual other drivers. I made one mistake, and that was my own fault. This car really likes fourth gear. It's got a pretty decent startup in it. Except for when you do that. I'm in first. Second place is trailing me hard. Lose them a little bit in this corner. There we go. That's the first place finish I was looking for. Yes. Alright, so we're in second on points right now. That is fine. I can deal with that. I might be able to pull this one out. I might be able to pull this. Oh, we just won a car. Racing round number 7. Just won what looks like a
You're through
Porsche.
to round 7 of the Horizon Road Racing Series. I've been looking at your race data and I'm not surprised by this at all. Keep it up.
I know you're not, girl. I'm not either. Showboating a little bit there. I'm a pretty good driver when it comes to this. Alright, let's get it.
In 100 yards, turn right. In 400 yards, turn left.
Get a little wreckage going on there.
Turn left.
Oh, I'm sorry, my man. I am so sorry. Looks like everybody's rushing to get to the same race I'm rushing to get to. He ain't gonna get there anytime soon. Stay away from the tree.
Turn around when it is safe to do so.
The only downside to this is when you lose traction, and it is hard to get back. Oh, I don't have any more gears. I'm in high gear.
In 400 yards, turn right. Turn right.
Ooh, my man. Watch where you're going. I gotta remember though, I gotta drive on the left side of the road versus the right, considering we are in Britain, not in the USA. I am so sorry. There's only a left tap. It'll be okay. almost killed his ride. I don't have damage turned on, so I'm good.
In 400 yards, you
I'll be having damage turned on once I'm more acquainted with this wheel.
You have arrived at your destination.
Alright, let's see if we can win this championship. I may have to go back and rerun it, you know what I mean? But I think we got a good chance. I'm only 1 point behind. It just depends on where that first place finishes. Don't need to do any tuning. This thing is running great. And this is an A to B race. The last one was laps, so I really got to be careful. Ride your bumper there a little bit, buddy. If you really watch too, you can tell when you need to brake if you watch the drivatars in front of you. That's if you have any in front of you. I think I've got a little bit more acceleration on them. Actually, I know I do. I can get up to speed a little bit faster than they can because I got a better, I got better grip than they do. I believe we got this. I'm maxing this little car out right now though. Speed wise, this is as fast as it's gonna go. Oh yeah, we got this. Blow the horn. Yes. Got it. Alright, let's see. Came out in first. 41 points. Yeah. Fly like an eagle complete. And I'm only going against average drivatars. I'll have to come back through it later at a higher skill level. Like I said, I don't want to go up too fast. So, you know, that's just kind of how it is. Leveled up, probably got another wheel spin. If I get a wheel spin, then that's going to be it for this episode. Yep. We'll see what we get from this episode, from this wheel spin. That'll be it for this episode. I'm going to continue on and do a little bit more driving. That's not bad. Alright, y'all, this is Racing Wolf signing off. How you have all y'all a howling good time. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment on how your day is going, on how Christmas is. Do me a favor, come back later.